Preserving DeWitt's legacy is an important long-term task for today, but there are short-term measures that can help.
Besides being listed on the National Register of Historic Places,
the DeWitt General Hospital deserves to be preserved.
Why? With large-scale planning and major construction required to meet World War II national defense needs, it was designed by the notable architecture firm York and Sawyer.
Highly regarded surgeon Norm Freeman developed vascular surgery advancements at DeWitt General Hospital during World War II.
DeWitt had a nursing training school specializing in psychiatry during World War II.
DeWitt Hospital significantly influenced the Auburn community economically as the area's largest employer and supported community activities and education.
The auditorium held USO dances for patients in the community.
The pool offered swim and lifeguard classes and hours open to the public. The theater also had shows open to the public.
Notable celebrities who entertained at DeWitt include Rhonda Fleming,
Lon Chaney Jr.,
Eddie Cantor,
Dorothy Lamour, Hubba Hubba,
Robert Alda,
and Joey Brown, actually my favorite actor.
Notable psychologist Tarmo Pasto's research at DeWitt contributed to the development of art therapy.
It was Pasto's research that led to the discovery of the artwork of Martin Ramirez. Artist Martin Ramirez created hundreds of his notable works while in residence at DeWitt Hospital. Ramirez's work has been recognized by the American Folk Art Museum in New York and appeared on U.S. Forever postage stamps.
What is our mission?
The DeWitt Community Complex mission is to preserve and adaptively reuse the historic theater, auditorium, former senior center buildings, and swimming pool for the community use in North Auburn.
Leveraging and honoring the preservation of these key historic resources for community uses will help foster an identity as well as develop a community destination and activity hub.
We believe reestablishing community use in these historic buildings is a win-win.
Offering recreation for residents, supporting the local economy, and supporting the county's master plan vision for a mix of residential and commercial development at the DeWitt Center.
We see a three-phase vision for the DeWitt Community Complex. Phase 1 of our proposed building preservation is the DeWitt Theater.
The DeWitt Theater has always served the community as a film and live performance venue.
With seating for 230 people and over 5,000 square feet,
this vital community theater venue would be in high demand,
allowing for film festivals, community screenings, local theater performances, and concert and arts performance rental space.
Phase 2 and 3 will require additional cooperation with Placer County. Phase 2, preserve and restore the DeWitt Senior Center buildings.
Adjoining the DeWitt Theater, the former Senior Center buildings would provide needed storage and practice space to support the theater.
With over 13,000 usable square feet, these buildings can also be used to provide community meeting and classroom space.
Finally, Phase 3 would preserve the DeWitt Auditorium,
which originally hosted holiday events, USO performers, and dances.
With another 8,000 square feet, the DeWitt Auditorium as a community event and conference center
will help meet and enhance local demand for community center space.
Phase 3 would also preserve and restore the DeWitt Pool, which had continuously served the Auburn community up until recently.
Refurbishing the pool would provide residents with more affordable and needed recreational facility that provides social interaction, low-impact exercise, and relaxation and stress relief.
These buildings combined represent the DeWitt Community Complex.
Why preserve and reuse DeWitt buildings?
Restoration is usually significantly less expensive than new construction.
Historic rehabilitation generates more domestic jobs than other industries, including new construction.
On average, there is a $33 to $1 return on investment for historic preservation projects.
Greater percentage of money invested in historic rehabilitation becomes household income benefiting the local economy.
Preserves an iconic and significant piece of Auburn's history.
Visitors to heritage sites stay longer and spend more money locally per day when compared to visitors at non-historic areas.
Historic preservation is a proven key component to successful community revitalization.
Land costs are minimal since the county purchased the DeWitt property from the state. for $1.
We want to thank the Placer County Board of Supervisors for their commitment to preserving the DeWitt Chapel and the 4 adjoining patient wards as a historic district as presented in their recent master plan, and for the ability to grow and enhance the district by enabling the community members to restore the DeWitt Theater.
Preserving and restoring the historic DeWitt buildings for community uses will not only serve North Auburn residents,
it will also function as a demand generator,
bringing in potential customers to the private development proposed in the master plan for the 200-acre DeWitt property.
For instance, in years past, many historic DeWitt buildings housed several community uses,
including music and more in the theater, the senior center, Placer Adult School, and pool.
These venues were utilized daily by the community and created a steady customer base.
Preserving DeWitt's legacy will revitalize the area and provide rental spaces, community classes and activities, and a gathering place for neighborhood events.
The DeWitt Community Complex is where we can come together in fellowship, explore the arts and culture, and stand together as a proud community.
Although this endeavor is a long-term proposition, one that will greatly enhance Placer County and North Auburn.
There are also short-term measures that can help.
Please like our social media pages online
at facebook.com/DeWitt Community Complex.
You can even find this video on the Facebook page and share with your family and friends.
I support the DeWitt Community Complex.
I support the DeWitt Community Complex.
I support the DeWitt Community Complex.
The Native Sons of the Golden West supports the DeWitt Community Complex.
For more information, go to www.dccnorthauburn.org.